Good day everyone! Welcome to my lesson on air. Our subject for today is English 4, Quarter 4, Week 1. Our lesson for today is identifying elements of a short story, fiction or non-fiction. Are you ready? Tara! Let us have first a review. It says here, read and analyze each statement or question, then choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1. It is a part of a story where you will write the problem faced by the main character. Is it A, the beginning, B, middle, C, ending, or anywhere? The correct answer is middle. Number 2. It is a part of a story where you will write the solution to the problem faced by the main character. The correct answer is C, ending. Number 3. The time and location in which a story takes place. Setting, plot, characters, or the beginning. The correct answer is setting. Number 4. Element of a story that is made up of events that happened in the story. Setting, plot, characters, beginning. The correct answer is plot. Number 5. Story writing helps children learn to organize their thoughts and use written language to communicate with readers in a variety of ways. Maybe, not sure, true, or false. The correct answer is true. Did you get the perfect score? Perfect! I am going to show you a picture and tell me who is it, where is it. Let's start. Yes, Coco Martin. Vice Ganda. The Hapaw rice terraces found in Hongduan. And the Banawe rice terraces found in Banawe. The Burnham Park found in Baguio City and the Chocolate Hills of Bohol. Very good. Before we start our lesson, what are the things that you need to do and prepare? First, of course, is your notebook, your modules, and the last one, the very important thing, you have to listen attentively. Before we read our story, let us have first our vocabulary. Mysterious, meaning it is very impossible to understand. Fence. What do you think is a fence? It is a barrier to keep animals in our garden. The third one is shock. It is you're very surprised. Well, it is where clean water comes from. Loam soil. It is a very fertile soil that is good for planting. Sandy soil. It is a soil that has sand and has very low in nutrients. And the last one is habal. It is a Tuwali word, means garden. Let us now read the story entitled Dangayus Habal and the Mysterious Rat. One sunny day, Dangayo and Liwong visited their habal. Dangayo is planting kamote, carrots, and potatoes in a loam soil which measures 80 square meters, while Liwong is harvesting pipino planted in a sandy soil which also measures 50 square meters. After planting, they watered their plants from the well. They also gathered bamboo to make a fence so the animals will not enter their garden. The next day, they were shocked to see that all plants were scattered. They wondered why. So that night, they decided to watch over their plants. At last, at the middle of the night, they saw a mysterious rat that sings and dances while eating. Suddenly, Liwang and Dangayu appeared and asked, "Why are you eating our plants?" The mysterious rat feared and answered, "I'm very sorry. I will fix the plants that I destroyed and guard your habal until your harvest. Please spare me." And the two siblings forgive the rat and let go. After a few months, they harvested abundant kamote, carrots, and potatoes. They also believed that the mysterious rat also helped them. That's the end of the story. It is now your turn to read the story entitled Dangayu's Habal and the Mysterious Rat. 1, 2, 3, go! Let us now discuss the story. Now, what is the title of the story? The title of the story is Dangayu's Habal and the Mysterious Rat. Who are the characters of the story? Yes, the characters of the story are Dangayu, Liwang, and the Mysterious Rat. Where did the story happen? Yes, the story happened in Dangayu's Habal or garden. How did the story start? It started with Dangayu and Liwang visited their garden. What is the middle of the story? The middle of the story is they saw the mysterious rat dancing while eating their vegetables. How did the story end? That story ended when they forgive the rat and they had an abundant harvest. More questions are, how did they take good care of their garden? How did they find out the mysterious rat? How wide is their garden when combined? How did you get the area of a garden? What type of soil was used in the habal? And last, why do we have to plant in a loamy soil? Comment your answers in the comment section below on my Facebook. Now, can you name different gardening tools you have at home? If you were the two siblings, are you going to forgive the mysterious rat? Why? Let us now identify the elements of the story based from the story that we have read. Now, in our past lesson, we have learned the 5 elements of a short story. First, we have the title of the story, the characters, the settings or where did the story happen, and the plot, wherein we have the beginning, the middle, and the ending of the story. Now, what is the title again of the story? Right, Dangayus Habal and the Mysterious Rat. The characters are Dangayu, Liwong, and the Mysterious Rat. And the settings is Dangayus Habal. For the plot, the beginning of the story is, yes, Dangayu and Liwong visited their garden. And what do you think is the middle again? Right, they saw the mysterious rat dancing while eating their vegetables. And the ending of the story is, they have forgiven the rat and they had an abundant harvest. For your group activity, these are the rubrics. First, cooperation, 10 points. Participation, 15 points. Your final output is 10 points with a total of 25 points. How did you find our lesson? Is it easy? It's very, very easy. Now, let us have a group activity. For the group 1, you are going to listen to the story of The Lion and the Mouse. Then you are going to identify the elements of a story using this graphic organizer. For the group 2, you are going to rewrite one of your favorite short story and complete the elements of a story using the format below. So you're going to look into one of your favorite short story. Alright? How was your group activity? Did you understand our lesson? If no, you can go back again in our discussion. For today, let's have another activity. Your choices are characters, ending, middle, beginning, and title. You are going to match the elements of the story accordingly. Number 1. The Rose realized what she did was all wrong. Number 2. The Proud Rose. Number 3. Every day, the rose insults the cactus on his looks. Number 4. The desert became very dry during scorching summer, and there was not enough water for all the plants. And number 5. There was a rose who lived in the desert. You have 5 minutes to answer your work. In the story of Dangayus Habal and the Mysterious Rat, what did you learn from the story? What did you realize from the story? Again? Excellent! Now, what are the elements of the story again? Okay, we have the title, the settings, the characters, and the plot. While under plot, we have the beginning, the ending, and the middle. Excellent! For this next activity, you are going to read and analyze each statement or questions, then choose the letter of the best answer. And for the last activity, you are going to choose the right element of the story inside the box that is being defined by each statement. Your choices are plot, middle, characters, beginning, the setting, and the ending. And this ends my lesson on air. Goodbye! Thank you for watching.